Hello everyone and welcome back to Piano Lessons with the Kindergarten program. My name is Dennis Wong and this is lesson number 13. So today we will learn the ABC song on the piano and repeat the new note A. So A was the last new note that we've learned during our lesson Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and the ABC song is very similar and has the A in it as well. So we could start this lesson by looking for some A's on the piano again, and this time I am going to use some colorful pom-poms. So group of two in the middle is the doghouse D key. C, D, E, F, G. What comes after G is A. So here's A. Here's another A. Let's look for a lower A. And maybe a very low one. And let's play all the A's that we found from low to high. Those were our new notes. And then we also shifted with our pinky, with our hand the last time. We will do this today again too. And what we will also repeat is we will spy for some A notes on our sheet music here for the ABC song. So let's get started. A is in the second space. It's the highest note that we currently know, so the second space is here. Let's trace that. Here is A, here's another A. Let's see. Here's A, and that is it. We only have the two A's here and the two A's here. And we see that we have the circle 5 here for the finger shift, so that 5 shifts from G up to A, and then it shifts back down to our G. And we have the same shift finger number here, down here too. So A, and then down here are two A's as well. So you could either spy for some notes, or you could mark them with some stickers, with some dot stickers, or with little dot markers. Yeah, whatever you guys prefer. All right, let's get started. It starts with the thumb on C. It says finger number 1 goes on C here, so we do that. And then we have a big skip again to G. Then we have to shift to A and the shift back to G. Then we have 4, 4, 3, 3, and then we have the 8th note, D's here. 5, stepping down, longer D. And it starts from C again. Big skip to G. And back. And then finger number 4, there's a help. 1, 2. So I would just recommend to play the whole thing through, just to practice sight reading a little bit, and then you could actually practice this piece in little sections, or you could mark yourself the trickier notes or the trickier parts. So make sure that you play the 8th notes faster. These are shorter notes, and then the half notes are longer. I'm going to repeat this. I will play this one more time from the beginning here. So we have C, C, G, G, shift back. 4, 4, E, E. Shift back. All right, another thing that I would recommend doing, you could color measures that are the same in the same color again. So as an example, let's see. This measure right here, C, C, G, G. Do you see this measure anywhere else? Yep, there's one right down here. So we could color this measure in this purple pink here, and then we could color this measure in the same color. And then we have another measure here, the one right next to it, where we have the shift to A. We could color this in purple, and then it repeats down here. And then we have F, F, E, E, F, F, E, E. And yeah, so we could look for measures that are identical. That way we know that a measure is repeating and that we've already practiced it and we've already played it to make it a little bit easier. All right, and that was lesson number 13 and the ABC song on the piano. And as always, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I hope to see you guys in lesson number 14.